Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a little boy named Timmy. Timmy was a kind-hearted boy, but his family was very poor. They lived in a tiny, run-down cottage on the outskirts of the village. Despite their difficult circumstances, Timmy always had a smile on his face. He loved exploring the fields and woods surrounding his home, dreaming of exciting adventures. Timmy's only companion was a scruffy brown dog he had named Rover. Rover was a stray dog Timmy had found one cold and rainy day. He had big, expressive eyes that seemed to tell a story of hardship and longing. Timmy couldn't bear to leave Rover alone, so he brought him home and shared his meager meals with the hungry pup. Together, Timmy and Rover became the best of friends. They played in the fields, chased butterflies, and shared secrets that only true friends could understand. Timmy found solace in Rover's company, and Rover, in turn, felt a warmth he had never known before. One day, as Timmy and Rover were playing near the village square, they noticed a poster announcing a pet talent show. Excitement filled Timmy's heart, and he looked at Rover with a gleam in his eyes. "Rover, we should join the talent show. Maybe we can win a prize and make our lives a little better," Timmy exclaimed. With newfound determination, Timmy and Rover practiced every day. Timmy taught Rover tricks, and Rover learned to follow Timmy's every command. The bond between them grew stronger with each passing day. Finally, the day of the talent show arrived. Timmy and Rover were nervous, but excited. The village square was filled with people, and the stage was adorned with colorful decorations. As they stepped onto the stage, a hush fell over the crowd. Timmy began to showcase Rover's talents, rolling over, fetching a stick, and even dancing in a circle. The audience was captivated by the duo's performance. When they finished, the crowd erupted into applause. To everyone's surprise, Timmy and Rover won the first prize. The joy on Timmy's face was indescribable. The prize money and a bag of dog treats they received would help make their lives a little better. Word of Timmy and Rover's triumph spread throughout the village, and soon the community came together to help Timmy's family. They provided food, clothing, and even helped repair their tiny cottage. Timmy and Rover's story became an inspiration to everyone in the village. The bond between a poor boy and his dog had not only won a talent show, but had also brought the community together in a heartwarming display of kindness and compassion. And so, in their little village, Timmy and Rover continued to live happily ever after, their friendship a testament to the belief that love and friendship could overcome any obstacle, no matter how big or small.